Hello children, we are on lesson 6 that Peter learns a lesson. Let us see the story. Peter was a very naughty boy. He was a very naughty boy. He always played tricks upon others. One day he caught a small little lizard. A lizard he caught one day and dropped it on his sister who was reading a book. You can see the picture how he dropped a lizard on his sister who was reading a book. His sister cried out of fear because suddenly if anyone throws anything on us, then we cry out with fear. Before she could catch Peter, he ran away. So he ran away. At night when Peter was sleeping, he had a dream. Now let us see what is the dream. In the dream, he was riding a dinosaur. So in the dream, what did he see? That he was riding a dinosaur. When the dinosaur stopped, a bird-like dinosaur picked him up in its beak. A bird-like dinosaur picked him up in its beak. And then it dropped it into the sea. You can see here the picture. Peter thought he was going to drown. As in the sea he was dropped, so he thought that he would get drowned. But then something pulled him up. It was a huge dinosaur holding Peter in its claws. Then something pulled him up, and that was a huge dinosaur holding in its claws. Then what happened? Let's see. The dinosaur said, "I will give your sister a good scare with it." It then dropped Peter over its sister. So it said what? I will give your sister a good scare with it by dropping you over his sister. She screamed and said, "You are horrible, Peter." Then Peter then woke up. He was seeing this all in the dream. He was trembling with fear. He made up his mind not to tease his sister or other animals also. He now made up his mind, as in the dream he learnt a lesson. If you do bad to others or mistreat others, then they too will mistreat you also. So he made up his mind not to tease his sister nor any other animals. So the thought of the day is, if we mistreat others, they too will mistreat us. So we should not mistreat others.